What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cabs Gaming here. Today we're gonna be doing some pack openings for the new Second Chance packs. I just bought one and I got an 87 Clay Thompson out of it. So we're just gonna open the rest with my 30,000 VC. We'll probably have enough to do like 3 or 4. And nothing good. The 73 Solomon Hill, which sucks. Kinda like the jersey though. And contract always pretty good, I guess. I'll just give it to him. He only has 4 left. Alright, so second pack. Let's see, amethyst. Nope, just shitty golds and silvers. And of course, the silver is the player. And he's only a 71. Pretty garbage. I'll just give it to CJ. We should have enough for 2 packs. Amethyst or diamond. Come on, baby. Golds and silvers. Again. Right now I'm rating this pack terribly. It's a pretty bad pack, but I got an 88 mellow and an 87 clay, so I guess if you want golds, this is the pack to get. But I disagree. I want amethyst. I want diamond. One more. And we'll probably sell players to get an FMT for another. Silver, gold. Oh. Silver with the player. That's awful, dude. This sucks. I really recommend not wasting anything on this pack. It's quite terrible. Those packs suck dick. What could I sell? Some logos, I guess. Not gonna do anything. Gonna have to sell a player, really. I'm never gonna use this clay, probably. Well, the 3s aren't bad. So, I keep them. Let's see if there's anyone I can sell. Like this garbage play. Solomon. Caron Butler. Then I got that Andre Karolinko or whatever. So I just gotta find him. Just get rid of these bad layers. Where would he be? Oladipo's gone. I only quick tell these guys because I can't get much more, even if I could get more in auctions. So all these shitty guys I'll just quick sell. I'll just get it now. We're gonna waste 4,000 more just on this. Come on. You guys gotta give me something good this time. Yes, an amethyst. Who is it? The 92 James Harden today. I was really hoping to be a throwback, but it's decent. I like it. Not awful. So I'd rate this pack about like a 5 or a 6, because you do get decent golds and amethyst once in a while. Otherwise, it's nothing special. So if you like what you saw with those packs, I really recommended them. But Actually, no, I don't really recommend it. I just call it decent. Let's see if I have any rewards. Nope. So, yep, we gotta make a lineup now. Let's just look at it. Harden, McCollum, actually. I'd rather McCollum start. So that's my lineup so far. So I can sell some of the golds I have. I could tell Jimmy, Dirk, and then I'll probably just quick tell I'll leave that. But thanks for watching. It was just a pack opening. Make sure to check out my channel, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I would appreciate it if you do that. And shout out to my boy JSpaceCookie68.